Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do makeup in 5 minutes. So this video is all about makeup challenge in 5 minutes. So let's see whether I'll be able to complete the makeup in 5 minutes or not. So if you want to know, please keep on watching. So I'll be keeping the stopwatch for 5 minutes. So here you can see it's 0 right now. So I'll just set it for 5 minutes. As soon as I start, I'll start with my makeup also. चलो देखते हैं. So here 0. I'm just pressing the start button and here we go. So first I'm taking this Lakme CC cream and I'm mixing with this illuminator which I got it in GlamEgo box. I'll mix it together. I'll rub it in between my palm and will pat it on my face. I generally do like this when I'm in hurry. I don't use any tools on daily basis. Of course for eyeshadows and all you need tool, but for this I don't think you need tool. Then coming to the eyebrow, I'm using this eyebrow pencil which I got it in Beauty Bank website. I'll link it down below in the description box. You can check that out. It's very nice, and when you're in hurry it's easy to go for a pencil rather than a brow gel or any brow powder. And another side it will be coming with a spoolie so that you can just brush it off. Oh, 1 minute over. Now coming to the lips. I'm just lining it. My hands are shivering. Now I'm using this Lakme 9 to 5 lip mousse in the shade Pink Plush. I'm just dotting on my lips like so and will spread it using my finger. And whatever left on my lips, I'll just place it on my cheeks as a blush. Now I'm using this Lakme rose powder. मैंने ब्लश के ऊपर कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर डाला है क्योंकि वो क्रीम ब्लश था and it's very important to set the cream blush. Then I'm using this Nykaa liner to line my upper lid. साढ़े 3 मिनट हो गए. गुड विद लाइनर है ना. मैं प्लम का काजल यूज़ कर रही हूँ टू लाइन माई वाटर लाइन. मैं यहाँ पे कर्लर नहीं यूज़ कर रही, नो टाइम, जस्ट यूजिंग द मस्कारा. God, I should not poke my eyes. Ooh. That's 10 more seconds. Okay, fine, done. See, you can see the time, it's 4:57, 3 more seconds, but it's okay. See, I have finished this makeup within 5 minutes. Not bad. So you can see I have applied the CC cream, blush, lipstick with a lip liner too, and a liner, that too a winged liner. Can you see this? A winged liner, and kajal, and filled my eyebrows as well. So good, not bad. So I did this makeup look within 5 minutes. So let me know what do you think about this makeup look in the comment section bar. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, bye bye, take care.